No. That's what you're doing right. You got to do it wrong.
And then I thought, that's kind of weird to have an Indian woman on my background.
Don't do that. Try to avoid that.
What's up, Believe Nation? Over the past few months, I have been more dedicated to building my Instagram account, and as a result, I've spent a lot more time on my phone and gotten these weird pains happening in my neck, coming home and having to crack it multiple times. And so this weekend, I decided that I would learn how to position myself better so that I don't get neck pain anymore. And so in this video, Nina and I are gonna share with you 5 different positions that you can use, 5, so that you don't get neck pains anymore using your cell phone either.
Now, before getting started, understand that your head, the average head is 10 to 11 pounds. That's a lot of pressure put up on your neck. But if you are in the position of 45 degrees, Nina, demo 45 degrees. If that's how you are doing your phone like most people, that's a 45-degree angle, you got 50 pounds. If your head is 10 to 11 pounds, that means you got 50 extra pounds of pressure on your shoulders. And it's no wonder why you've got neck pain. So let's show you how to fix it. Okay, first position while standing is the hug yourself. So take one arm, cross it across, and then the other arm, you take your elbow and rest it on your arm. Oh, Nina's showing some guns. Rest it on your arm. And the goal here is we want to get the phone to be eye level. And so the arm can get tired easily, but when you rest it against the other hand, it's a lot easier. So you hug yourself, and then you can more easily get that phone up to eye level. Okay, standing position number 2 is a double V. Now the hug yourself position is great at the beginning, but you may still get tired, and you may also need both your hands to be able to text with. So the double V, you bring both arms in, and the elbow is in against the side of your body. So you have a little bit of relaxation there where you're leaning in and you're not just fully supporting your arms. Again, we're bringing the phone up so that it's pretty much at eye level, and you're reducing the pressure of the weight of your head on your neck. Now this is much better than just having your arms up and out, because if you're doing it like that, or even with both your hands, they will get tired. Those arms will get tired. And so instead of slouching over, bring the arms in with the elbows in against your body so that it's easier to keep that position for as long as possible. Alright, standing position number 3 is the double chin. Not the sexiest of all of our potential options here, but if your hands are getting tired because you are standing and texting for too long, what I want you to avoid is our usual position. So if Nina turns to the side, you'll see what normally people do. They're leaning over, you're hunched. Don't do that. Try to avoid that. If you can't do one of our first 2 positions, then bring the phone where it is normal and comfortable for you. And then just bring your chin back a little bit and look down. So what we want to avoid is that massive hunch. We want our shoulders back, not forward. We want our neck in a normal position, not too forward. So you're still able to use your phone, not work too hard on straining your arm muscles here. They're tired because of the first 2 positions, but we're still able to get a lot of work done without us having to put massive strain on our neck. Okay, position number 4 is the elbow knee. So this is what we do when we're sitting down. Often when we're sitting down, we are slouched again, our shoulders are over, massive 45-degree angle, 50 pounds of pressure happening on your shoulders and on your neck. We do not want that. So what we want to do is take both of our elbows and put them on our knees. Try to keep your back as straight as possible, and then a little bit of a look down. The idea is we're bringing the phone almost up to our eye level, and it's going to save you a lot of pressure on your neck. And our last position is elbows on the table. If you are relaxing at home, or if you're at a busy work day and you need to do a lot of cell phone usage while sitting down, if you have a table in front of you, don't slouch. Don't roll those shoulders forward. Try to sit up straight. Put your The cushion is falling. Put your elbows on the table, and again, look, the phone is almost at eye level, the shoulders are back, the neck is pretty straight. Just doing this will save your neck tons of pressure.
Now I've got a final bonus tip for you as well. All of this may make sense, may be awesome to say, yes, I'm gonna try this, I wanna save my neck, but how do we make sure that we actually follow through on it? One of the best hacks that I found is change the background of your cell phone. Change the login screen and change the background. At first, I did it of some Indian woman because she was the one that I learned some of these techniques from, and then I thought, that's kind of weird to have an Indian woman on my background. So I thought, okay, Nina, we're gonna take a picture of you doing the proper pose so that when I log on and I turn my phone on every day, every time, multiple times per day, I guess, I'm seeing Nina in the pose and it reminds me. It's a quick check because I will often by default do the old habits. I see Nina's picture and then boom, up straight, doing it properly. Now, if you guys have any extra hacks that you want to share, let me know. Leave it down in the comments below. Also, if you want to learn how to separate the egg yolk from the egg white with a simple water bottle, check out the video next to me. I think you're going to enjoy it. We believe in you, and we'll see you there. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way to separate the yolk from the white of an egg.